Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Ajrak, a traditional textile craft of Gujarat, is known for its intricate designs made using A. Tie and dye techniques. B. Embroidery with colorful threads. C. Hand block printing with natural dyes. D. Painting on pre-treated fabric. Answer is option C. The term ajrak is derived from the word ajrak, which means indigo, a primary dye used in the printing process. Ajrak is a traditional textile craft originating from Gujarat, particularly in areas like Sindh, Burma, and Kutch. This art form involves intricate hand block printing on specially treated cotton fabric, creating elaborate designs that are steeped in symbolism and historical significance. Introduced more than 400 years ago by Sindh Muslims, ajrak is a popular attire among nomadic pastoralist and agricultural communities such as the Rabris, Maldaris, and Ahirs. Which of the following statements about the Padma Awards are correct? A. The Padma Awards are conferred by the President of India on the advice of the Padma Awards Committee. B. Only Indian citizens are eligible to receive Padma Awards. C. A recipient of a Padma Award cannot be awarded a higher category of Padma Award in subsequent years. D. Both B and C. Answer is A. The Padma Awards are conferred on the recommendations made by the Padma Awards Committee, which is constituted by the Prime Minister every year. Statement A is correct. While the majority of awardees are Indian citizens, people of exceptional achievement residing outside India can also be honored with Padma Awards, provided by the persons of Indian origin, PIO, and Overseas Citizen of India, OCI, category. Statement B is not correct. An individual can be awarded a higher category of Padma Award in subsequent years. For example, someone who receives a Padma Shri initially can be awarded a Padma Bhushan or Padma Vibhushan later. Statement C is not correct. Stay tuned and keep preparing. Thank you.